Hey guys, it's Melissa back with another tutorial today. We're going to be talking about how to create text-to-path in Silhouette software. This will teach you how to make those designs where your words actually curve around rather than just being straight away. So you can really customize some fun signs and graphics, really handle the angle to decals on your cups, a lot of different things by knowing this small little trick, and it's super easy. So I've just went ahead and made something up right here, and this is Grandma's Fresh Pies, and I have curved Grandma and kept fresh baked pies straight as can be, and I just want to show you guys how to do that today. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Silhouette software. We're going to go over and grab our Ellipse tool. Now, the way that you draw this ellipse will be how your word curves. So if I were to take this over to the one that I previously did, you can see I have much stronger of a curve on Grandma than just a straight line. So what I did was actually create a circle, and the way you're going to do that is hold down Shift while drawing your circle, and it will create a perfect circle. Now after you get your circle drawn, we're going to go in and type out Grandma. And actually, I type Grandma's, and we'll change our font to whatever font you want to use. I'm going to be using Fresh Squeezed. And you'll see right here to the left of our font, we actually have a toggle key. So you'll click the toggle key and drag it over to your circle, and that puts the font on your path. Now you want to go ahead and resize the font to the size you want it to be. We're going to make this, you can kind of play around with the size. Once you get it about where you want it to be, you can move this toggle to move it around the circle. So you could put it over here to the side, over on this side, underneath, however you want to do it. Depending on how you drag is where it's going to end up. So we're going to take it, stick it right on top, and then the other option you have over here, you can make it up above the circle, you make it go in between the circle. So at Christmas time, everyone does these giving plates. And basically, if you know the size of your charger, let's just say it's an 11-inch diameter, you can make an 11-inch circle. You can design it, and by using this toggle switch, if this is the actual charger that we have drawn out here, we can pull our design within the charger and then go over here to your character spacing, and maybe we want them a little bit more spaced out so it looks even. But you can design things that will fit right within the circle and the amount of space that you have to use. Okay, so whenever everything looks good to you, we're going to right click and do Make Compound Path. Now what that does is release the design from the circle. So now you can move it away from the circle. We'll delete that. We'll pull this over here. Let's go ahead and fill this with color. And then to finish it off, this could say kitchen, it could say fresh baked pies, whatever you want the design to say, of course. And then that's it. You're ready to cut it. You have made yourself a custom file with a nice little art design by just playing around with your text-to-path tool. If you guys have any questions regarding this process, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos and more tips and tricks. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.